Hey guys, this is the car stripper. I'm walking towards Los Cristianos Beach. It's so quiet around here while I'm walking towards the beach. Really quiet. Shops are open. But normally when I walk down here, if you're watching my other videos, my old videos, it's really busy. You bump into people walking down here. But there's no tourists, very quiet. There are tourists, but not as much as before. So it's quite quiet. Tenerife's tourism industry has been destroyed by the coronavirus. It's 32 degrees today, really hot. It's hotter than it normally is in June and July. So it's beautiful. If you fancy a holiday and you just want to come, go to lie in the beach, relax, go for a walk, enjoy the beaches. Fancy some sunshine, then it's cheap flights to Tenerife. You may as well book them, but don't forget your 2 weeks quarantine when you get back to the UK. So if you book a week or 2 week holidays, remember factor in the 2 weeks when you get back for quarantining. Beautiful Tenerife, so nice. As you see, this is one of the Chinese shops where you can get cheap things from. It's open, petrol stations are open. So it's just quiet, really quiet. It's busier down towards the beach, more people, as you can see, there's people coming from the beach now. These people are walking back from the beach. You have to wear your mask while you're outside. It's a law, otherwise you'll get in trouble if you don't wear your mask. So masks are essential, they must be worn. You have to wear them inside shops, supermarkets, and when you're walking about. The only time you can take your mask off is when you're on the beach, swimming, inside the restaurant, eating food, drinking food. So it's best to have a mask with you all the time. Keeps you safe, keeps others safe. 32 degrees today, nice and hot. People walking back from the beach. Shops are open, but the foot traffic is not here like it normally is. There's a lot of foot traffic normally, but the foot traffic is very slow. But it's like that everywhere, isn't it, at the moment? Wherever you go. It's just because Tenerife relies on tourism, and so does Spain. Spain's beaches are quiet, so is Tenerife. But everywhere in the world is quiet now because of coronavirus. Coronavirus has affected everyone, every business, every person. It's affected them. This is the car stripper here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon ding on my videos to notify you all the new videos. Keep watching my videos. Any comments are welcome. Here are some local people enjoying themselves. So they're just local Spanish people having a day, enjoying themselves. So you see, you don't have to wear a mask when you're eating. When you sit outside, you can sit outside in the sun. You want to get away from that rainy, cold weather, wherever you are in Europe. It's nice and sunny. Come to Tenerife, help the economy of Tenerife, and get some sunshine. Hey guys, this is the car stripper here. Welcome to my channel. I'm coming to you from Tenerife, south. I'm currently in Los Cristianos. It's the church square in Los Cristianos. famous church square. Normally all these benches here are full of people, tourists and locals sat here. But at the moment it's quiet. Still people here, mostly locals, and the tourists that are coming in, just like myself. All the shops are open, so if you want something, some gifts, plenty more people towards the beach. I've never seen Tenerife this quiet before, never ever. And I've come every single month of the year, from January to December, but it's so quiet. So if you fancy a nice quiet holiday, just come over, enjoy yourself, get some sunshine, make the most of it. I'm nearly at the beach. See, all the jewelers, the expensive jewelers are closed. Some of the big restaurants are closed too. Some tourist shops are open, so you can buy some slippers if you forget anything, or towels or t-shirts. This big restaurant is closed. Right, I'm nearly getting towards the beach. Hey guys, this is the car stripper here. Car stripper coming to you live and exclusively from Tenerife South on Los Cristianos Beach. Los Cristianos Beach. How's everyone? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Car Stripper. Hit the like button and hit the notification bell icon, ding, so notify all my new videos. Car stripper here, coming to you from Tenerife South, Los Cristianos Beach. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and also the bell icon, ding, to notify you of all the new videos. Tenerife South, people are still coming on holiday. Not as busy as it would be, but as you can see, people are still coming. It's quiet, so if you fancy a holiday and some sunshine, flights are cheap, accommodation is cheap, just come over to Tenerife South. But don't forget, if you're from the UK, you'll have a 2-week quarantine isolation period when you get back. However, from other European countries, I'm not sure what their rules are. So it's a nice place to be. Car stripper here. I don't know if you can hear me over the waves. Coming to you live and exclusively from Tenerife South Beach. This is a car stripper here. Car stripper. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon. Ding. I'm here in Tenerife South today.